All right, guys, I want to show you that a home that we recently acquired. And yes, guys, we got this for free. So I know if you're new to the channel or if you've seen my other videos, you see that we acquired different homes and stuff. And I tell you that we can show you how to do these things. But look at this home, guys. This is a 1998 double wide home. And yes, just like the title says, we get these homes for free, guys. We get them for free. Look at this home. Vinyl siding, metal roof, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. I don't know. This home is probably anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 square feet. And yeah, this home, it needs some work on the inside, which I'm going to show you guys some pictures and stuff. And you can see the shrubbery and stuff is kind of taking over the bottom of the property and stuff. But guys, how can you not make money from this home, from homes like these? Look at this. This is amazing. And yes, we got it for free. Now, how did this deal happen? It happened, guys, because the owner of this property, they were just fed up with this home. They bought the property and the land as a package deal, and they didn't want to fool with this home. So they was like, just come remove it for me. Now, a lot of you may think, well, that's um, somebody give you a home. How could you lose out? Well, in some instances, guys, you can lose out if you don't know what you're looking at. And I talk about these things all throughout the book. How to make big money with mobile homes. You can make mistakes with homes that people give you, but in this instance, it wasn't a mistake. This was a gem that, because of our marketing, because of the strategies that we teach, you'll get people calling you to come take these homes off of their hands for free. Because again, people don't know the value of these homes. A lot of times, these homes are just they're a hassle for them, and if you put yourself in the right position, which we show you, you can do that. Now, what gives me the experience? What gives us the experience and the authority to speak on these things? Well, guys, we've been in the mobile home investing business for over a decade, over 10 years. We've had a transport business, as you can see in the other videos. We've moved the homes. I mean, we know mobile homes left and right. Um, from the exterior to interior, how to move them, set them up, all of this. So I think this is what makes us stand out from all these other so-called gurus teaching about mobile homes. We've actually done it, been in the trenches for a long time, and we're just coming out with the information that has helped us be successful for all these years. So that's what makes us different from other folks and gives us the authority because we've done it. We have a track record, and again, we've put ourselves in a position to where, and let me tell you guys the funny thing. This home, I didn't even want this home. Literally, the seller was begging me to come get this home because in the marketing and the strategies that we teach you in the book, um, we tell you certain buyers who to deal with, certain sellers who to deal with, and how to deal with them, and how to know if they're for real or if they're just wasting your time. And initially, I thought this guy was wasting my time because he didn't follow the system that my bulletproof system on how to acquire these homes. But he basically begged me to come and get the home and to come and look at the home. So in this deal, I almost, like I said, almost passed on because I thought the seller wasn't serious. But again, he literally begged me to come get the home, and we ended up making a nice profit off of this home, guys. Again, we got it for free. Now, if I was in the business of fixing these things up, and you may be a handyman or have a crew that can do this type of work, I've left this type of work a long time ago. Been like I said, we've been in this business for a long time. We don't even really touch homes anymore. We teach you how to make money without lifting a hammer, without lifting a screwdriver, without doing any of the work. And I don't want you guys to do the work. You can make money without picking up a hammer, without doing all the repairs, if you know what to do. And this home we just flipped to one of our buyers from our buyers list, which another thing I show you how to do in the book. But let me show you guys this is the exterior. Like I said, metal roof, vinyl siding all throughout. Nice home, 1998. A lot of the positive qualities that you're looking for. But let me show you some of these pictures. Look at the inside. So you see, this is what people look at and they get discouraged by. And if someone who's not experienced in investing in mobile homes, they will look at this and say, no, guess what? I'm not interested. But I teach you guys what to look for. This is the exterior, the backside. Um, as you can see, it needs some cosmetic work, but there are people who love to do this type of work. There are investors and handymen who love to tackle these type of projects. You don't have to do this type of work. Um, let's go back. Again, a lot of people are discouraged by it. They see trash. The homes are trashed out. Don't be discouraged by that. Look at this. The sink. I mean, they even left dishes in here. This is all garbage, trash. Never be afraid of trash. In fact, you want it to be trashed out because it's nothing to clean these homes out. But you have to look at the bones of the home, the structure of it to make sure that it's solid. Like I said, not all homes are good homes if you know what you're looking at. And that's where a lot of investors make mistakes. A lot of newbie investors make these mistakes where they think that if someone gives me a home, hey, I can make money off of it. But later they find out that one, they can't move the home. Two, too much repairs need to be done to the home. Um, so they get stuck. Three, they probably get an older home that no park wants to admit into the park, or no city will allow an older home to come into their park, into their city. So I help you guys avoid all of these mistakes, show you what to look for. Look at this. This is just trash, junked out. And this is what you want. This is kind of a view of the home at a distance, but solid home, guys. Solid home. So, um, yeah, just want to show you guys that, yep, we get homes for free. If you follow our system, check out the book, how to make big money with mobile homes. We have the book, we have a workbook. We also have how to negotiate. I have all the links below. Um, and again, if you're interested in this stuff, check out the material because guys, at this price and the knowledge that we shared in this material, really we're about to take the material down. So if you're watching this video and you don't see the links anymore, well, you missed out. We took it down. It's at a really, really low price right now. Um, I mean, less than a pair of sneakers or something. I don't know. So for over a decade of experience, like I said, we were movers, so we know all about homes, from the inside, outside, the structure of them, everything. Um, and like I said, for our knowledge, we're saving you thousands of dollars in headaches, making the wrong decision, making the wrong purchase. And we'll show you how to make money with these homes the quickest and fastest way, the easiest way. Guys, I like to make easy deals. I like easy, easy deals. And you can't do this in traditional real estate. Like I said in one of the other videos, where can you get a home, a nice home like this for free? Show me where you can go get a stick built traditional home for free. Nowhere. This really only could be done through the system that we teach you and how to acquire these deals. So again, if you're interested, check out the links. We're about to come out with a course that may be in the link now, which is going to be much more expensive than what the book is for, and what the we have a video lesson also about how to negotiate and acquire these type of deals, and that's what we show you also, how to negotiate these deals, because not everyone can negotiate, guys. If you don't negotiate, you don't say the right things, you will not get deals like these. So we teach you. We have a whole hour lesson where we're teaching you. It's over $100,000 worth of material and experience in that video lesson, which you may be getting for under $100. And again, if you don't get it now, we're about to take this stuff down because we're coming out with the course, sharing all of our knowledge and putting our system out to the public. So get it now, guys, while it's cheap. If not, sorry, you missed out. You're gonna have to pay full price, and the price that we offer for the course when it does come out is still, you're gonna get it at a bargain, because again, this is over $100,000, hundreds of thousands of dollars of experience, knowledge, and over a decade of experience that you're learning how to do it the fastest, the easiest way to get these home with less headache without lifting a hammer, and how to get rid of these homes quickly. So if you're interested, check it out, guys. The links are below, and comment, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Talk to you guys again soon.